This kind of development activities is focusing on two main points. The first point, how to increase the quantity and the output of the factory within a very short period. We are targeting 200% output increase within a very short period. The second, how can we improve the technological support or the processes itself, which serves or which supports a very great quality improvement of our products in the first hand. So currently we are facing with a high automatization program, and this kind of automatization program supports, for example, an automated polyurethane processing, or for example an automated preparation of different components, a screwing automatization, and a lot of other processes. This kind of automatization program serves to a little bit stabilize the technology, stabilize the processes, and again to have in first-hand professional quality of our product. If I summarize the challenges in the next period of our production here in Dabas, it's clear how can we increase the quantity, and in the same time how can we transform the manual processes into highly automated processes within the production line.